After watching this video, you are not going to be moving back and forth from Microsoft Word to Excel in order to do or get some calculations done. For example, you are writing a proposal and it requires that you make some additions, subtractions here and there. What you see here is that this is a table that has some figures, okay, so more or less like an inventory thing. So now all that you see here was done automatically using Microsoft Word, not Excel now. Okay, so let's get right into it. So now open Word, so create a table. So as you can see, so a table is created. So feed in the various data that you want. So you can see that the various data is entered. So I want to add all this, the entire cost price. I want to also add the entire amount sold. Then get the difference from each of the items added. Okay, so the difference is actually the gain of the, based on what we are doing. Okay, so first let's add up the cost price. So in order to add up the cost price, put your cursor where you want the result to be. Go to table layout, as you can see, then look for formula in the data environment, then click on it, then it shows up like this. So here, inside here, so what you need to do, it will automatically give you this formula, sum above. Okay, so you can format the number how you want. Once you click on OK, see that the result is there. So if you pick up a calculator to do the calculation, I see that it gives you the exact result. So do same for the amount sold. So once you do that, so you see that it gives you the result, as you can see. Okay, so you can of course format it. So I can have command for thousands and so on. Then format it for a real number. Okay, like this. So the next we need to do is to get the difference. Subtract the cost price from the amount sold, so that gives us the result. Okay, so we can know the gain we had or we got from this deal. We need to get the name of the various name, just like it is in Excel. It has the alphabets on top and it has a number at the left, just like in Excel. Okay, so now what we have is that if I come here and select this, okay, so we have A, B, C, D. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, so it will now be D6 minus C6, where D6 is the cell that contains what you want to remove from the cell that has C6 as the name, as you can see. All right, so that makes it work. We'll do the same for this. So here will now be D2 to be minus by C2. Okay, that's basically how it is done. So as you can see, unlike I said, this one doesn't change automatically when you make changes to the text inside or to the value. Okay, so what happens is that if you make any change inside of this, for example, if you change the record here, let's say you change the record from a certain number to another number, what you need to do is highlight everything like this and press F9 on your keyboard. If you're in some keyboard, you may need to press function F9. Okay, so like you see, if you make change here, you have to highlight everything like this, then press F9, so it automatically update everything, as you can see. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.